A Tucson mother says naming her child has become a nightmare and blames the Pima County Vital Records for her problem. Now, it all started because the parents took longer than a year to finalize a name. Investigative reporter Chandrea Thomas took a closer look at the situation and found a solution for the family.
I spoke to one mom who says she wanted to wait to name her son, but she had no idea it would be such a challenge to make it happen.
I asked what needed to be asked, and I was not told the correct answers.
Layla Olagi says her son will be 2 years old in August, and while most kids have a legal name given by the parents, it's something her son still needs to get benefits.
We wanted to name our son based on what is at or near his zenith at the hour of his birth, what's in space when he's born.
And with that, Layla and her husband waited to choose the right name.
I've been making phone calls to Vital Records every few months, ever since I was pregnant, to make sure there's no laws, there's no legalities, there's no loophole that would cause the situation that has happened.
But when the couple tried to get a birth certificate, they got some news they didn't expect.
I can either pay the $20 normal fee for the registration and obtain a copy of his birth certificate with the name Baby Boy Olagi, or I can go to court and go through the processes of changing my son's name from Baby Boy to his name, which is actually Perseus.
According to these medical documents and the parents, a Carondelet hospital put Baby Boy Olagi down as a placeholder on the birth record. State guidelines say the hospital has 7 days after a birth to file those records, which is protocol. Meanwhile, Layla says she can't afford the fees to make the name change.
I'm paying $500 to name my son, and other people don't have to do that, and it's not right.
KGUN 9 made contact with the Pima County Office of Vital Records, and according to county guidelines, because of the delay, the parents do have to go to Superior Court to get a court-ordered name change. The county also sent a statement, and it says, "We strive to consistently provide accurate guidance based on the information we receive from clients. We would not mistakenly or intentionally provide inaccurate information."
Because I didn't name him at 1 year old, he is now legally named after his birth record. And no one told me this would happen when I asked so many times.
After weeks of emails and phone calls, we found out it will cost about $260 to make the change. But the family can also petition the court to waive the fees completely or defer the payment to another date. And that's good news for Perseus and his parents.
I just don't want it to happen to more people.
Chandrea Thomas, KGUN 9 on your side.
It's graduation